Dear children, last day I taught you biosphere, page number 113. Now look at the page number 115, the animal kingdom. Before I taught you desert vegetation. Now look at the page number 115, the page number 115, the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is comprised of animals, birds, reptiles, insects, fish, etc. There are more than 11 million species of animals on the earth. Animals, birds, and fish which are not domesticated are generally known as wildlife. Different species of wild animals are adapted to living in different climatic conditions. In the dense equatorial forests of Africa are found elephants, chimpanzees, gorillas, monkeys, snakes, etc. In the tropical monsoon forest of Asia are found elephants, lions, tigers, panthers, jackals, deer, monkeys, crocodiles, snakes, and rhinoceros. In the coniferous forest at higher altitude, caribou, moose, bear, minks, beavers, and wolf live. The lynx, minks, sable, elk, and ermine are very common in the coniferous forest of Eurasia. In the savanna grassland, herbivorous animals like antelopes, antelopes, giraffe, zebra, elephants, and carnivorous animals like lion, cheetah, leopard, and hyenas are the dominant species. In the desert, camel each are domesticated animals, llamas and alphas, which belong to the family of camel, are found on Andean highland of South America. Guanacos or wild llamas are found in the Patagonia Plateau. 200 Bactrian camel is found in the desert of Central Asia. The yak is found in the high plateau of Tibet. Now, ecosystem. There exists a beautiful order and system within the variety of species. This is called ecosystem. An ecosystem may be defined as a group of organisms and environment with which the organism interact. The science that studies the interaction between organisms and their environment is called ecology. An ecosystem has both biotic living and abiotic non-living components. All of them depend upon an input of solar energy. The biotic component comprise of producer plant, consumer animals and humans, and decomposers. The biotic components comprises of light, temperature, water, and climate. For their survival, living beings are interdependent on each other. For example, green plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis using solar energy. They are called producer. Animals called consumers cannot produce food. Herbivorous animals depend on plants for their survival. Carnivorous animals prey on other animals, while animals which eat both plant food and animal food are called omnivorous. This feeding relationship between various organisms is known as food chain. Depending on the physical environment and the type of organism, there may be many types of ecosystem such as forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, mountain ecosystem, marine ecosystem, pond ecosystem, etc. There exists a close relationship between animals, climate, and natural vegetation in region. The total collection of plant and animal life interacting in a region is called biome. Each biome has a typical plant and animal community and usually named by its dominant vegetation. The world has a total of 10 biomes, namely tropical rainforest biome, second tropical deciduous forest and iskar biome, tropical savanna biome, mid-latitude broadleaf and mixed forest biome, fifth temperate forest biome, desert biome, Mediterranean biome, temperate grassland biome, taiga biome and tundra biome. Now look, man's interference with the natural environment. The ever increasing human population has interfered with natural processes and has changed the environment for the worse. Human activities such as agriculture, lumbering, fishing, mining, hunting, grazing and urbanization have adversely affected natural biodiversity. Man has cleared forests to make room for agriculture and to obtain timber. This has resulted in shrinking of forest area. It has also damaged wildlife to a great extent as deforestation and climate changes are the other adverse effects of senseless and indiscriminate felling of trees. Fishing on a large scale has endangered the fish population, while hunting of animals has resulted in the extinction of many species of wild animals. Many more are on the verge of extinction. The increase in urbanization has also led to environmental degradation. The the disturbed balance in nature has adversely affected the climate on the earth. Global warming is one of the effects on man's interference with nature. This issue has caused sharp concern for the entire world. Earth Summit, it was held under the aegis of the United Nations in Johannesburg in South Africa. In September 2002, the summit discussed the issue of the increasing degradation of global environment and called for global efforts to save our environment. It adopted the Johannesburg Declaration on Sustainable Development. However, due to the difference in priorities between the developed and underdeveloped nation, the summit was only partial success. Now, next day.